Hey everyone! Get ready to watch as I transform a bathtub into an amazing outdoor oven. You're not going to want to miss this. So after the bathtub cracked, I decided to give it a new life as an outdoor brick oven instead. First, I cut the bathtub in half and placed one of its halves on a steel frame. To make sure everything stays in place, I applied some adhesive on it before putting a steel board on top. Next, I spread more adhesive on the steel board and carefully placed the other half of the bathtub on top. To reinforce the structure, I drilled a hole and secured it with nuts and bolts. Then, I cut a hole in the bottom half of the bathtub and installed a steel pipe for the oven's chimney. Once that was done, I started stacking bricks to cover the oven's steel frame, giving it that classic brick oven look. Afterwards, I welded rebars to build the oven's grill. Once the grill was in place, I sealed the oven by welding a steel board to it. To keep the heat in, I covered the oven with rock wool for insulation, securing it with coiled wire to maintain its shape before covering it with cement. I started cementing the oven, working on one side and then moving to the other to ensure even coverage. For the finishing touch, I shattered ceramic tiles and stuck the pieces on the oven, like building a jigsaw puzzle. After covering the whole oven with tiles, I applied cement to fill all the crevices. Next up, I measured and outlined the oven's door and fuel port. Using a saw, I cut out the oven's door and installed hinges on them before fully cutting it out. To finish off the door, I installed a lock. With all the hinges and locks installed, I continued cutting out the doors of the oven. It's almost done! Just need to give the outdoor brick oven a paint job. For the bricks, I went with a classic red. And boom! There it is! An awesome outdoor brick oven. Who would believe that it used to be a bathtub? Time to make some pizza. What do you think? Is this oven awesome? Let me know. Comment, like, and follow Crafty Panda.